Hi, this is Jacob from Westwind Moto, and today we have the newly updated Heavy Cavalry 50, which comes in the black nylon like the previous version here on our left, and now wax canvas in khaki color here on the right. Both of the Heavy Cavalry 50s now both include a 2.5 liter water bladder here, which mounts via Velcro. These Velcro strips here on the back on the inside of the top. So to mount the Heavy Cavalry 50, what we're going to do is flip it around to the other side, which will reveal these four mounting straps here. So in this case, for our CF Moto here, what we're going to do is we're going to mount it to the rear rack. So I'm going to take two of these straps off first. And then you'll notice the end here has a built-in little loop here. I'm going to slip it through like so. Take this buckle through. And then repeat that same process at all four corners of our rack. Okay, now that we have our four mounting straps secured to the bike here in the front and in the back, it's time for us to mount the bag. So I personally like to mount it so it's parallel with the bag, but you can also do it like this so it's perpendicular. So then what we do is we just line it up with the buckles here. First click them in, and then we'll slowly tighten them all up once we have them all clipped in. And now we can take this excess strap here and roll it up like so. So in addition to mounting it via these four mounting points on the bike, it also can be carried like a backpack, which I will demonstrate now. So if we flip the bag around, we reveal a zipper pouch here on the back, and inside we have two shoulder straps that we'll pull out, which have two plastic hooks on the bottom, which we can clip through these little D-rings here and attach our shoulder straps, and then we've got ourselves a backpack. Also to mention, in addition to our Heavy Cavalry 50 now coming in the desert color, our Hussar T4 and T2 tank bags also come in desert. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave us a comment as to what you think of the new updates to the Heavy Cavalry 50.